Okay guys, one more time here, or probably a bunch more because I still got the carburetor and I got a lot to do yet. But so in my last video talked about the bolt that goes in the motor mount on that side over there. It's actually a stud mount, and I'm going to go with the bolt if I can. I'm going to make one that's shorter. I found a couple of stainless ones in my bucket here. I'm going to cut one down and use it. Okay. The problem was I had to find a second one because this is the original bolt. Here we go. It's the original bolt from the factory 1200 head. That does not work. So the new heads are actually larger bolt hole, and I believe they're the same pitch. It's just a size larger. I'd have to double check here. So as you can see, this one will go. See, it's threading. Okay. So that one will work, and this one just barely clears. Well, we're going to double check our length on this too, because it's longer than, it's obviously longer than this other one here. So we don't want to bottom out and act a fool there. So we're going to cut it down to, well, these cut down and figured out and done up so we can mount things properly. So something to keep in mind if you're getting this kit, that you're going to want to double check you've got some bolts here. I think these are, well, let's see here. I believe these are 7/16 that go in there. And I think the one I had for the other one was 3/8. So these should be 3/8 coarse thread from the old original stock heads. 7/16 for the new head, and of course the breather bolt holes here, those I'm hoping are still going to be the 1/2 inch. I can check that real quick. I've got one of my breather bolts laying right here. Let's double check that and see if that is in fact correct. That is in fact correct. The 1/2 inch bolts will work. Now these are homemade too. These are stainless. They didn't work with the breather type I was using in the air cleaner. And so I drilled some holes in it. Made it a homemade breather. I needed a drill press with a drill press vise to do this. And that is to run this S&S style breather. So, funny thing when you start doing this stuff and you gotta modify and fabricate almost everything, you know, there's something, not everything, but you know, there's something that has to be done almost every time. And then real quick here, just because the hammer logo on these cylinders is right back there. You can barely see the R. See, I've got these new push rod blocks. I want to open it up, but see that down there? That says zipper on it. These are zipper blocks. They use the adjustable push rods and the 3-piece push rod tubes. And instead of having that goofy little gasket down here that likes to crinkle up in there and cause leaks and things, this one just sets right around the top here in this beveled edge. You just set it right down in there. It comes with the gaskets, and it seals that up real nicely at any angle, almost like a ball stud type thing. It's very fabulous. I don't remember what the price was, but at any rate, if they're not And it helps to where I didn't have to take the top of this motor apart to do the bottom half because I had adjustable push rod tubes. I've already got the N4 Andrews cams in here, so I don't need to take any of this apart. That's all going to stay together while I finish my 1275 upgrade here with my Screaming Eagle heads, Mikuni carburetor, and an Energy One clutch pack with a 15% heavier clutch spring. Cool. Thanks. Later. Bye.